Okay, this is one of our finds from this morning.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's 2 for the price of 1, isn't it? So you've got...
Well, it's not just 2 for the price of 1.
Okay.
That's a positive impression.
Ah, and it's definitely an impression.
It's definitely an impression.
Okay, so...
So it landed on the impression of an ammonite and grew...
Right. And grew around it?
Grew around it.
Oh my lord. That's very, very nice.
For someone interested in trace fossils, that's,
yeah.
that's a, I don't know, a tertiary trace fossil.
What would you call it?
I don't know.
Okay, so
I've never seen anything like it before.
wow.
So step by step, what is it that you can actually see? What's going on here?
So what happened was, an ammonite died, the shell got lost away, left an impression in the substrate. An oyster landed on the substrate and grew, so the shell grew in the impression of the ammonite. You sometimes find these where they've landed on the ammonite, and of course that's a negative impression. But this one's a positive one. I've never seen that before. It's actually quite extraordinary.
That's very nice.
It's
How about this? Okay, it's nice and thin.
Yeah.
We know we've got a bivalve,
Yeah.
the mollusky
Yeah.
bit. We know we've also got an ammonite
Yeah.
bit. Could they both be real fossils and then it's just been squished flat?
No, you can see actually there. You can see you can feel the depression in the shell, which is the positive bits of the ammonite.
You're quite right. It's definitely
So
the
it's just a
Gryphaea
layer
has grown.
of shell on top of the impression of where an ammonite used to be.
That's crazy.
It's absolutely crazy.
How rare is that? Have you ever seen anything like this?
I've never seen anything
No,
like
I haven't
this.
seen anything like that.
I've never seen.
No.
I've seen quite a few where you see the negative ammonite.
Yeah.
This is the first time I've ever seen the positive impression of an ammonite.
Yeah.
It took me a while to realise, but it's actually when Kieran saw it, he said,
Yeah.
"That's the positive impression."
Yeah, that's a thing of beauty.
It is extraordinary.
Yeah, it's amazing what you can deduce from bits and pieces you find in the fossil record
Precisely,
in terms of
yeah.
the chronology of the events
Yeah.
that happened.
And if it had been that way, sitting on the spoil,
Yeah,
You'd
just a
chuck
piece
it.
of Gryphaea. Who
just
would want that?
Gryphaea. And you have that.
It's unbelievable.
It's unbelievable.
So, is that a better find, in your opinions, than some of the mammoth stuff? In terms of rarity, in terms of story that it can tell?
I wouldn't say better. In terms of rarity,
See,
yes.
yes.
You can't really, that's comparing apples and pears.
It's right, yeah. It's comparing apples and step ladders. You
Yeah.
know, it's some completely different things.
Yeah.
But in this context, this is extraordinary.
But in terms of excitement, yeah, that's pretty
Yeah,
fantastic.
that's right, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm almost as excited about that as I was about the plesiosaur tooth.
Yeah, it's been a good day. Good
It's
day for
been
the Jurassic and a good day
fantastic.
for the Quaternary.
Cretaceous, yeah. It's been fantastic. So that's
Brilliant.
brilliant.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Can I keep it?
No.